It all looks completely normal. A bank email, a text about a package, a call from tech support. Nothing seems wrong, but one of these is a trap. This is phishing, a play on the word fishing, and it works the same way. An attacker dangles bait, a message that looks real and trustworthy. They aren't trying to break through your locks, they're getting you to open the door yourself, handing over a password or making one careless click. Why bother? Because it works, and the payoff is huge. One stolen password can unlock your email, your bank, your entire digital life. And it's cheap. Attackers send these messages by the million. They only need a handful of people to take the bait. Phishing wears many disguises. Regular phishing arrives by email, blasted to thousands of inboxes. Smishing comes as a text, a fake delivery, or bank alert. Vishing is a phone call from someone pretending to be support. And spear phishing is personal, a message crafted just for you, using real details to seem convincing. So how do you spot one? Most phishing shares the same tells. Look at the sender's real address, not just the name. It often doesn't match the real company. Watch for urgency, like act now, or your account will be closed. Pressure stops you from thinking. Be wary of generic greetings like "Dear Customer," and before you click any link, hover over it to see where it truly goes. If a message asks for your password or a code out of the blue, stop. But what if you already clicked or typed in your password? Don't panic. Act quickly. Change that password right away and anywhere you reused it. Turn on two-factor authentication so a stolen password isn't enough on its own. Watch your accounts, and if it touches work, tell your IT or security team. Speed limits the damage. The good news? A few habits keep you safe. Slow down. Attackers count on you rushing. When something asks for sensitive information, verify it another way. Call the company using the number on their real website. Turn on two-factor everywhere you can. And remember the golden rule: no real bank, service, or boss will ever ask for your password. Phishing doesn't attack your computer. It targets you, your trust, your habits, your hurry. But that's your advantage too. A moment of caution is all it takes. When something feels off, pause, check, and don't take the bait.